Hey, welcome to my channel, Food and Art What You Sell. Today we're making homemade hand sanitizer and I have my 13-year-old daughter Gigi assisting me. So she's adding 1/3 cup of aloe vera gel into a measuring cup. And the recipe is simple. It's 2 parts alcohol, at least 60 proof, and 1 part aloe vera gel. You can actually use a higher proof if you want of the alcohol, but 60 is the minimum. And I tried to find hand sanitizer in so many stores, and everywhere I went, Walmart, Walgreens, CVS, Target, Kroger, online, everywhere I looked, everyone was out. And it's due to the crisis that we're facing right now, the coronavirus pandemic. But it's just ridiculous because right now, you feel better having it. Of course, the number one way to prevent yourself from, well, one of the number one ways to prevent yourself from contracting the virus is hand washing for 20 seconds, of course. But to me, it's essential to have hand sanitizer if you can, because there are moments when you can't get to water and you may just want to feel a little safe. You may have to touch some buttons on the elevator or touch a handle to open the door and whatnot. Use a pen at a doctor's office to sign something if you don't have your own pen. And hand sanitizer to me comes in handy, so I like to have it. Right here, my daughter's adding the rubbing alcohol. As I stated earlier, it must have at least 60 proof, but we're using 70 proof. So she's going to measure out 2/3 of the alcohol and pour it into the aloe vera mixture. But yeah, it's crazy, man. You can't find hand sanitizer anywhere along with toilet paper. What else? I'm seeing that Walmart's starting to run low on the liquid soap. It's crazy, the mask. But, it's a scary time for everyone, and people are panicking and stocking up, and some people are trying to do price gouging, which is ridiculous, but you cannot find it anywhere. But the good news is you can make this at home. It's really simple. It only takes a few minutes to make this hand sanitizer. Another thing I'm noticing is that it's hard to find alcohol or aloe vera gel, which are the ingredients we need to make the hand sanitizer. So if you know where I can find some, please leave a comment below. I just so happen to have these ingredients on hand. I've been trying to find some in the stores to get more bottles. I do have 1 large bottle at home, and I wanted to get some for my elderly mom, but we couldn't find it, so I decided to make her some. And she also has these ingredients, so she's going to make some within the next few days. So yeah. Of course, we all need to remember that hand sanitizer does not replace hand washing. Anytime you can wash your hands, please do, and do so for at least 20 seconds. Right here, my daughter's adding an essential oil, which is, as I stated earlier, is optional. But she's going to add peppermint oil. We're going to do a 1/2 teaspoon. You can do as much as you like, a little or as much as you like. We're only doing 1/2 teaspoon because we're also going to add 2 additional oils, which are grapefruit and mango. And we're going to add more mango than grapefruit because that's my favorite. But you can play around with the oils and add your favorite, or you can add an antibacterial one like tea tree oil or whatever you want. I just chose peppermint, grapefruit, and mango. But yeah, man, I was trying to find hand sanitizer in the stores. I got up at 6 in the morning one time to try to get to neighborhood Walmart, because online they said they had it, and I get there and they didn't have anything. Like, they hadn't updated the system, but I got up and I went. And just every store, I went to Kroger, I've been to Walmart, Target, CVS, Walgreens. I cannot find it anywhere. I even went online to Amazon. I can't find it. And so, the good thing is we can make it, and it's very simple and to make. It's really an easy process. 2 ingredients at the most, in only a few minutes, and you have your antibacterial solution to kill germs when you can't get to water and soap. So yeah, it's real simple and easy. So I would definitely advise you to make some if you can't find it. And if you try, definitely leave me a comment. Let me know how it turned out. I managed to get my consistency to the texture, similar to the texture of the gel solid storage. But I also had some additional after filling my mom's bottle. So I poured some in a spray bottle, which you'll see towards the end of the video, so I can spray it. You know, sometimes you just want to use a spray it versus putting it in your hand, squeezing it out the container. So yeah, so right here she's just checking the scent to see if we want to add any more essential oils. Man, we like the wet smell, so. Right here she's just stirring all the ingredients to incorporate them together. And next we're going to just pour it into a measuring cup with a spout and then go ahead and pour it into our bottle. And I'm going to just let you sit back and watch the rest of the video.